Hi everyone, this is Ann Hayle with eXp Realty. I am your realtor that specializes in helping clients transition into a new beginning. And I am here with Tommy today with UnionMain Homes in Celina, Texas, Legacy Hills, which is very new and upcoming.
Yep.
And I just wanted to give Tommy an opportunity to share about his community and what makes your community special and unique.
Yeah, well, thanks, Ann. I appreciate you letting me do this with you and getting out to everybody who follows you and anybody who's looking to buy a new home. Legacy Hills is a new master plan community in the Celina area. It is the biggest community currently being built out in Celina and actually across North Texas, other than the Fields project. We will have almost 7,000 homes when it's finished, over 3,200 acres with multiple amenity centers, multiple playgrounds, parks, walking trails, biking trails, as well as pools, fitness centers, and we even have a private golf course running through the middle of it.
Amazing.
Yep.
This sounds like the place you want to be.
It really is. It really is.
Wonderful. So Tommy, tell me a little bit about UnionMain and what makes you stand out amongst the market here.
Yeah, so we, as UnionMain Homes, we range from 1,800 square feet up to 3,600 square feet, starting at a great price of $435. And we do things a little bit differently than most of the builders in the area. We're more known as a luxury builder. We're very energy efficient. And we also allow our customers to not only buy something that maybe we've already showcased, but also build from scratch if they want to and get to take a step-by-step process, picking design, picking anything from flooring to countertops to tile, and really building their dream home.
I love that. I love that. We live in a day and age now where you just have to offer options.
Yes, it seems a little bit easier, but honestly, you'd never really get that personal touch with the customers, kind of like we do when they get to choose every specific color. It can be a little daunting, but I think at the end of the day, folks tend to be a little bit happier doing that.
I love that. So you have options for everyone, for someone that wants to build the home of their dreams, but then you also have some inventory homes available that people could move in relatively quickly.
We do. We have some showcase homes, and those can range anywhere, again, from those same square footages, 1,800 to 3,600. And we can find someone who needs something right away if that's what they really have to do. And hopefully they really like the design that our design team has put into it. One thing that's nice about our location here in Legacy Hills is the base tax rate in Celina is 2.08%. Most of the new communities usually have either a mud or a pit associated with them. And we have something similar to that. It's called an MMD. Now, the nice thing is, though, it's a lot less expensive than a traditional mud or pit. Most of the communities with a pit out here range anywhere from 2.6 to 2.9% for your property taxes. Ours with the MMD actually comes down to 2.48, and that's all in. So you don't have to worry about any extra fees, any extra costs associated with living in a new home in the Celina area. On top of that, we're also on our showcase homes doing a fixed rate incentive of 4.99% on anything that can close within 30 to 45 days. And we will buy that 4.99 rate down for the first year to 2.99. And then the second year would be 3.99, leading into the third year where it'd be 4.99 through the eternity of the law.
That's incredible. So not only do they get to take advantage of a lower tax rate in the area, but the interest rate, I mean, that is so hard to find right now. That makes such a difference on your monthly payment. So that's amazing. Tommy, tell us the next steps, separate and apart from getting in contact with me. If someone's interested, do we schedule some time to come out and tour, or talk through that with us?
The best thing to do is to have Ann reach out to me, and you can contact me at any time. We can set up a time so that way we have some one-on-one with your clients, and we can show them around the different home types that we have, see what's right for them first. And then from there, if they do want to build from scratch and pick everything, design it their own. To get started with us, it's super easy. We collect a $10,000 earnest deposit and some of the options that you pick if you're building from scratch. If you do go with one of our showcase homes, it's just a $10,000 deposit. It goes back to you at closing towards your down payment, and we're good to go.
Perfect. That sounds wonderful. Well, you heard it here today. Really appreciate you taking the time to give us an overview and some insights into UnionMain Homes and your new community. That's going to be incredible once it's completed out. And just really appreciate your time. I know you're amazing to work with. We just worked together with some customers, and you took very good care of them, and your communication was excellent. So I know that you would have a great experience with Tommy and working with myself as well. So give us a call. We'd love to connect with you and invite you out and spend some time touring you around the community and sell you a beautiful UnionMain home.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you.